A busy day at school. It is Monday morning. Anna goes to school with her school bag. She meets her classmate, Ben, at the school gate. They are wearing their uniforms. Before the lesson starts, Anna takes out her notebook, textbook, pencil case, ruler, rubber, and pencil sharpener. Ben also has a calculator and a compass in his school bag. "Are you ready for the math lesson?" Ben asks. "Yes, I am," Anna answers. Their teacher comes into the classroom and starts the lesson. The students open their textbooks and take notes in a notebook. Anna needs to use a calculator to solve a difficult problem. Then she asks Ben, "Can I share a pencil with you? I can't find mine." "Sure," Ben says with a smile. After the lesson, the students have homework to do. They go outside and play in the playground. Some students run around while others play games. At lunchtime, Anna and Ben walk around the schoolyard. They see their teacher near the computer room. "Don't forget your homework," the teacher says. "Oh, I won't," Anna replies. After school, Anna goes back to the classroom. She checks her desk and puts away school supplies. Then she packs a school bag carefully. "It's time to go home," Ben says. "See you tomorrow," Anna says happily. It is a busy day at school, but Anna loves learning with her classmates.